Hi guys! In this short video, we'll walk you through the steps to add an Elfsight widget to your Blogger website. Let's get started! Let's start with adding your Elfsight widget to a specific page. First, open your Elfsight dashboard to copy the installation code of your widget. Click the Install button under the widget you want to add and copy the code. Log into your Blogger account, click Pages, and choose the page where you want to add the widget. In our example, it is the home page. Click on Edit icon, switch to HTML view. Paste your installation code and click Update. Let's check how it looks on the live page. To do this, click on Preview. That's it! Great job! Now, let's add your Elfsight widget to all pages. This method works best for floating widgets. Floating widgets are not fixed in a layout and can move over the main content, often staying visible while scrolling. First, go to the comments under the video and get the code from the pinned comment. Save it somewhere to edit later. Then, go to your Elfsight dashboard and open your widgets editor. Take a look at the URL. Copy the symbols after the last slash. That is your widget ID. Open the code you saved and replace the widget ID with the one we just got. That's it! We got the installation script. Now, let's move to the Blogger website admin panel. Go to Theme, select your website's theme, and open the drop-down menu within Customize. Choose Edit HTML. Add the widget code either right after the opening body tag or right before the closing body tag. In our example, we're adding the installation script before the closing body tag. While both options are possible, we recommend placing the code there to help avoid potential z-index issues. Once you added the code, click Save. That's how the widget will be displayed on the website. If you're going to install the static widget on all pages, placing the code after the opening body tag will position your widget at the top of your website pages. Here is how it will look. Placing the installation code before the closing body tag will position your static widget at the bottom of the pages in the footer. Let's see how it looks. That's it! If you still have any difficulties, check our Help Center article, link in the description. And feel free to reach us at support@elfsight.com. We're always there to help. Thanks for watching and being with us.